Welcome back to my YouTube channel Google Calendar, where we journey through cultural celebrations worldwide. Today, we delve into the vivacious and indulgent traditions of Carnival, also known as Shrove Tuesday or Pancake Day. Carnival, a period of jollity and festivity, is celebrated worldwide, from the pulsating Rio Carnival in Brazil to Trinidad and Tobago's vibrant parades. But what's the history behind this festive occasion? Carnival finds its roots in Christian traditions, marking the time before the solemn Lent season. It's a moment for indulgence before the onset of fasting and penance. Interestingly, Carnival is believed to originate from Latin carnival, meaning farewell to meat, switching gears to Pancake Day. In nations like the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada, Shrove Tuesday is all about pancakes, a day for families to relish stacks of delicious pancakes before the Lenten fast kicks in. The tradition of savoring pancakes on Shrove Tuesday dates back centuries, using up ingredients like eggs, milk, and sugar that were forbidden during Lent. Today, Pancake Day is a delightful and tasty celebration before the fasting period. Carnival and Pancake Day aren't just about indulgence, they're also about community and creativity. These festivities, filled with elaborate costumes, floats, lively music, and dance, bring people together in a spirit of joy and unity. Whether you're enjoying a stack of pancakes or dancing in the streets, Carnival and Pancake Day encourage us to embrace life's pleasures and celebrate our cultural richness. Thanks for joining us on this trip through Carnival, Shrove Tuesday, and Pancake Day. Do like, share, and subscribe for more videos exploring the diverse traditions that make our world so vibrant. Until next time, happy celebrating!